Hi everybody, it's Mrs Newcombe again from Barnsley Music Service. In our last video we looked at the Trinity piano initial grade pieces and we went through Allegro and we were looking at the slur marks which tell us to play legato, smoothly joined together. This time we're going to have a look at Spies on a Mission, and yet again we've got the slur marks showing us to play legato, so we've got to smoothly connect these notes together. We've also got notes that's played staccato, and if you look very closely here, we've got dots underneath these chords, so they have to be played really short and separate. And then we're back to the little slur marks. We've got quite a lot of musical detail in this piece because we've got a few accidentals. If you look up on the first line, we've got the C sharp, and again, we've got a B flat, and back to the C sharp. On the third line, we've got the top C sharp, B flat, and here in the last bar we've got an F sharp. And we've got C sharps again on the bottom line. And this is a very interesting chord in the last bar. We've actually got a bottom G, a B flat, a C sharp and a D. So 4 notes to play at once there. We've got dynamics as well. We could be having a look at the expression marks. We've got F, which means forte, which means loud. We've got P, piano, which means soft. We've got MF, which means mezzo forte. These are Italian terms and signs, abbreviations in music, but MF means moderately loud, as we all know, and back to F, which means forte. And in the last bar on that chord we've got abbreviation of SFZ, which means sforzando. It's an accent, which means forcing the tone. So I'm going to play through Spies on a Mission for mainly for pupils that has just started this piece. They've got right hand and left hand, and in the process of trying to bring these hands together. So I'm going to play it through hands together, and I would just like to point out before I start playing that in the first bar, this is the bottom G. We've got 2 ledger lines there, so it's the G below middle C. So we're looking at this G here. Nice and short and separate for these notes, these chords, a staccato. Now on the third line, I know some pupils have got confused and wanted to start in the same position as the first line, but it isn't. We don't start on the bottom G below middle C. On the third line we start on the G above middle C. So we start here. So try not to get confused between the two. The first line is the bottom G below middle C, and on the third line we start on the G above middle C. So those are points to try and remember. So here goes. I'm going to play all the way through with the expression marks, the dynamics. Off we go. Nice and staccato. A little loud. So have fun practicing until we meet next time, and then in our next video we will be looking at conversation or waltz of the toads. So bye for now.